Ripple SEC case ends. XRP surges then cools as traders at 20 cents support and ETF signals. The long-running legal fight between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission ended on August 7, 2025, when both parties filed a joint stipulation to dismiss their appeals, formally closing the multi-year case while leaving a court-awarded fine and injunction in place. SEC Reuters. Markets reacted immediately. XRP jumped sharply on the news before running into profit-taking. The token fell about 5% in a high-volume sell-off that pushed prices from roughly $3.34 to $3.20 before recovering toward $3.30. Trading data showed an intense 1-hour print of roughly 209.67 million XRP during the session, underscoring large institutional activity and short-term volatility. Speculation over exchange-traded funds and new listings added fuel to the move. Reports surfaced that Japan's SBI had moved toward a Bitcoin XRP dual fund, though later statements from SBI and other outlets clarified that formal filings were either premature or denied, leaving the ETF picture in flux. At the same time, market commentators debated whether large managers will seek spot XRP products, creating a mix of optimism and caution among investors. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph. The broader crypto market backdrop amplified the ripple effects. Ether reclaimed the $4,000 level this week on rising institutional flows and ETF interest, and major platforms moved to expand access to on-chain liquidity. Coinbase launched an AppDex trading for most U.S. users, making base-native tokens more immediately tradable inside a familiar interface. These developments helped push capital into altcoins and gave traders fresh avenues to enter or hedge XRP exposure.
CoinDesk.
What traders are watching next? Whether $3.20 holds on any retest? Whether a decisive break above $3.33 can end the recent profit-taking phase? And how ETF and listing news, or denials, translate into sustained flows? Given the high single-hour volumes and headline risk, short-term swings are likely. Longer-term direction will depend on concrete product filings, institutional adoption, and whether volatility eases after the legal uncertainty has been removed. https://www.sec.gov/files/litigation/complaints/225/26369 joint stipulation. PDF UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. PDF 242648. L. sec.gov. Legal government, SEC ends. Lawsuit against Ripple. Company PE. ER million. Fine Launsenling Arshawu Baling Ba. UTM_source equals chatgpt.com. SEC ends lawsuit against Ripple. Company to pay $125 million fine. https://www.coindesk.com/markets. The 9th of August 2025. Ripple SEC-settlement-rally-cools-SRP-drops-5-on-profit-taking. UTM_source equals chatgpt. RippleSec settlement rally cools as XRP drops 5% on profit taking. https://www.coindesk.com/markets. The 6th of August 2025. SBI-files-4-Bitcoin-XRP-ETF-in-Japan-pushing-dual-crypto-exposure-in2-regulated-markets. UTM_source equals chatgpt. com/files for Bitcoin XRP ETF in Japan. CoinDesk. /SBI-holdings-denies-reports-of-filing-Bitcoin-XRP-dual-ETF. UTM_source equals chatgpt. Coms denies reports it filed for Bitcoin XRP dual ETF in Japan. https://www.coindesk.com. Markets. The 8th of August 2025. Ether-soars-above-USD4K-4-first-time-since-December. UTM_source equals chatgpt. Com Ether price ETH news. Back above $4,000 CoinDesk.